Hey everybody, what's up? It's Chris. Today's video, I'm going to show you what new products I found in my local Trader Joe's for the fall season. Now, some of you may know Trader Joe's has a policy store-wide where they don't allow you to film or take pictures in their stores. And still I see people making videos at Trader Joe's. So it's obviously a store-to-store basis whether the employees working there are going to see you doing it or whether they're going to, enforce that policy or not. Unfortunately for me at my Trader Joe's, they do enforce the policy and you're not allowed to film or take pictures there. So I can't do that. And to be quite honest, I don't see a problem there. I mean, it's a public place that people go. It's a privately owned business, but still, I mean, the transparency, as long as you're not taking a video of customers or employees, I don't see a problem with it, which I've never done that. I literally just have my phone on a product. So what's the difference if I have a phone on a product at the store or if I'm out in my car or if I'm home? I don't see the problem there. And I could see a lot of reasons why somebody would want to pull out their phone and take a quick video or a quick picture of a product. Maybe they're not sure what they want to, whoever they're buying food for to pick up. Maybe they want to know if something's vegan or not, or they want to know about an ingredient and then they want to send it to one of their friends. For me, I've had times where the ingredients were just too small to read and I wanted to take a picture of it and blow it up. And I felt like if I did that, I'd get in trouble for even doing that. So it's quite ridiculous, but I have to buy all the products that I want to show you guys in order to do a video. So it's not very ideal because I don't always want all the products, but I still want to promote Trader Joe's vegan products because I still feel like that's a very good thing. And overall I like Trader Joe's, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, let's see what we got from Trader Joe's. We have Ghosts and Bats crispy potato snacks. And they look like ghosts and bats. There's the ingredients. Okay. There. We have tofu scramble, soy chorizo, 25 grams of protein, it says vegan right there at the top. And vegetables, chunky scrambled tofu, soy chorizo, vegan cheddar style shreds. There are the ingredients. Feel free to pause that. I ended up making it and this is what it looked like. It was okay. Okay, we have pumpkin recipe dog treats. My dogs love these treats. Let's see what the ingredients are. There. Oh, I was thirsty, so I bought some organic carrot juice. I don't know if this is new or not, but I grabbed it. Let's see what else we have. Oh, pumpkin puree. I mean, obviously you can get some pumpkin puree anywhere, but I just grabbed it for, recipe testing. Or maybe I already know what I want to make. Now this, spicy Pizzole Verde. And it's a vegan twist on a classic soup with hominy, pinto beans, and green chilies. So, I mean, it says vegan right on it. A vegan twist. So, I grabbed it. We'll use that for a meal. And I also grabbed this one, too. This is organic Hearty Minestrone soup. And I grabbed it because, let's see. I haven't had it before, but it also says vegan right there. Vegan and gluten-free. All right, we also have these roasted vegetables, simply dressed with garlic and herbs. And I actually just made them. So I'm gonna dig into these. They look good, they smell good. I actually already tried some, they're good. Found this Kale and cauliflower chili with navy beans. So that looks good. jar of that. I think this was like $3.49 or something like that. And then we have vegan caramelized onion dip. Vegan, it says it right there, so yeah, want to try it out. A lot of vegan things now these days. Vegan Tzatziki Dip. And it's got cucumbers, lemon juice, dill, and garlic. Dairy-free. Obviously, it's vegan. So maybe make some falafel, some pita, some veggies, and then this. That'd be good. Kimchi and tofu soup. Microwavable. Vegan right there on the box. Looks like some big chunks of tofu in here. However, if you're like me and you don't do alcohol, it has alcohol in it, so be careful. And this is the vegan mayo spread. So, haven't tried it yet. Looking forward to seeing how it tastes. There's the ingredients. Nice little packaging there. I like it. I like seeing new vegan products like this. We got these organic veggie bites. Bite-sized tots with organic vegetable sunflower seeds. Vegan, gluten-free. They look good. Just throw these in the air fryer. There's the ingredients. Contains soy, and there's the nutritional information. And here we have crispy onion chips and some vegan pasta bolognese. And then I grabbed the jumbo cinnamon rolls. Trader Joe's jumbo cinnamon rolls. Check out my last video to see me make the pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls. Okay, so we have, that's our Trader Joe's haul here. And then also not Trader Joe's related, just want to throw this in the video anyway, but No Way Food, they sent me their Ghoulish Graveyard cream-filled chocolate coffins. These are like the vegan Cadbury eggs, vegan cream eggs, but they're coffins for the perfect time of year. So we'll definitely let these go to good use. Seeds. Well, that's it for this video. Trader Joe's is always coming out with new vegan products, and that's a pretty awesome thing. But what I would say is if you see something you like, get in there in a hurry and get it, because sometimes they sell out of a product and they don't get it back, or it's sporadic, or it's seasonal. So see something you like, get in there. I filmed this video at the beginning of the week, and already I've seen people posting things that must have just came out after I was there. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys in the next video.